yeah, it's really good. I really like, so the matte finish has definitely done the chassis good. Right guys, there we have it. This is the obviously the new look for the national points. Still in a little bit of disbelief that we've actually managed to win this. So especially with the British in the same year, absolutely unbelievable. And I'm really thankful to everybody that's supported us and helped us all through 2024 season to get us to this point. So this is ready obviously for the V8 Hot Stocks Awards night tomorrow. Hopefully it won't be showing up too much by Grant Lever's completely refurbished car. Got to say a massive thank you to my dad for all the hard work he's put in the last few weeks, helping me get this all finished off and ready to go. Ray for polishing all the exhausts and getting everything looking spick and span. I think he actually washed the car today and everything, so massive thank you to Ray for all his ongoing help. Can't do half stuff up here without the hands that we have, so massive thank you to them. Massive thank you to Mick at MH Autos for getting the wings painted in time. We were early for once and I wasn't rushing Mick and saying I wanted to do in a week, so he's managed to do all these and get them ready. Yeah, massive thank you to Martin at Ford Race Wings for providing the wings for the job. Really appreciate Martin getting these to us as soon as he could, which was nice and early, to be fair. Obviously we managed to get them painted early, and then managed to get them to the sign writer in, I'd say, reasonable time. I don't know whether Ben thought so. So yeah, massive thank you to Martin. If you need some wings over the winter, shale wings, tight wings, alley shale wings, F2s, hot rods, V8s, F1s, anything, if you need a wing, get hold of Martin, get a nice new wing on your car for next year. The man who does quite a bit for us in a lot of the time, and that's Ben at Maxim Signs. Massive thank you to Ben, who's knocked these out in the week. Really happy with how they've come out, and he puts a lot of time and effort into making everything look absolutely top for us. So yeah, thanks Ben. And finally, I should say a massive thank you to my wife Emma for not getting on to me in the last 6 or 8 weeks of not being home and never turning up for anything and being late all the time because I'm too busy working on this. And finally, just want to say a massive thank you to all the sponsors that have helped us over the last 12 months and before, because obviously without the sponsors we couldn't do it, and they help a lot along the way, and that has all led to the British and national points titles. So really appreciate everything that they've done for us over the years. That's to all of the sponsors. I'm not going to name them one by one today in case I forget one. So yeah, just a massive thank you to everyone from when I started to now that's helped us out to actually achieve this. I just want to say a massive thank you to the team as well, who've traced us around week in, week out to get everything done, or to keep us going on track every week and everything else. And that, you know, it takes some commitment. And we obviously got the Baby Brown coming this year, so I don't know what this year is going to hold yet. I haven't got, you know, the fixtures have come out. I don't know what we're going to do. I don't know whether we're going to do everything or whether we're going to do nothing. I just don't know. I can't really narrow that down yet because obviously it always comes down to funding, and that's the thing. So while we are on that subject, I haven't had the sponsors put on the wing yet. So if anyone is interested in adding their name to the Team 288 program, want to become a partner with the team, that's, you know, we're always open. So yeah, if anyone is interested in that, you know, just get hold of us. There's an email address in the description below, and you can get hold of us on there and see what we can do, if we can make something work. And that'll be always really appreciate new faces coming on board. Finally, thank you to all you guys out there on YouTube who've subscribed, watched the videos, liked the videos, commented on the videos, and all the guys that I've actually met at the track. Met a lovely couple of gents at Aldershot with Martin and Keith, and I've met a few other people at different tracks. I think there were Mick up at Buxton and a few other people around through the year. It's nice to meet people and hear that you actually enjoy what we do on here. So yeah, massive thank you to all of you out there that have supported us through the year. And I hope you have a good weekend, because we're going to go and hopefully enjoy ourselves at the awards night. So thanks for watching. If I've done it again, I think it's this side. There will be somewhere around here, there'll be a link to a video. Up here, will you subscribe? And thank you for watching, and I'll see you next week.